So for lunch today, I'm going to be telling you how to make a chia seed pudding-ish smoothie thing. So first get your chia seeds and get a bowl. So then you're going to open your chia seed container, but you're not going to dump it in. You're going to get a tablespoon, and this took me an incredibly long time for some reason. I don't know why. So you get 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and put it in the bowl. 1 and 2. So you won't be needing chia seeds anymore, so close that container up tightly and make sure it doesn't spill. Then go to your fridge and grab some milk. Then open the milk and pour in 1/2 cups of milk. No more, no less. Once you're done with the milk, close it up and put it back in the fridge. Then open the fridge again to get some maple syrup. I did 2 tablespoons of maple syrup because I did not have 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract because I spilt it. Yes, don't do that, please. It is expensive. If you do have vanilla extract, though, do 1 tablespoon of maple syrup and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then get a spoon, one of your special stirring spoons, and stir it up really nice. So you stir in all of the vanilla extract if you have any, and the maple syrup and the chia seeds and the milk. So the chia seeds can absorb all of the liquid. Then wait 10 minutes to stir the chia seeds again so they can absorb all of the liquids. Find an appropriate lid that can fit over your bowl and not take up too much room in the refrigerator. Mine did, so we had to switch lids. Yeah, as you can see here, it does not fit well. Wait for a whole hour to check on it again. As I said earlier, I did switch lids, and make sure you have an appropriate lid because you don't want to take up too much space in your refrigerator. The one I had earlier did take up a lot of space, and I could not deal with it. So take it out of the fridge and then set it on your counter. Oh, and yes, I did switch clothes. I had a daily workout with Skye. If you guys want to join, just ask me. So then go to your fridge and take out some fresh strawberries. Make sure you wash the strawberries. I just saw a video that apparently there was like mites all over someone's greens and it was disgusting. Make sure the water runs all over every single strawberry. You can do it in the container, it doesn't matter. Just make sure to wash those strawberries well. I hope you guys enjoy the ASMR. I worked really hard on it. Just kidding. It's just washing strawberries. After you're done washing the strawberries, make sure you shake out all the water so you don't dilute the smoothie-ish thing. If you don't shake off the strawberries, I'm sure it's fine, but after you're done washing the strawberries, cut off the ends so you don't get the strawberry leaves. Who wants strawberry leaves in their smoothie? Okay, so off topic, but why are strawberries shaped so weird? Like, what? Why? Like, look at that strawberry. Like, who made that? Why the shape? But, make sure you don't cut the strawberries like I am. Like, I was not cutting straight or something, and I didn't cut off all the leaves, and it was just wasteful. Make sure you cut off as little as possible of the strawberry, but keep in mind you want to cut off the leaves. Like, look at that cutting. I don't know what I was doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 strawberries would probably be enough. I know there's only 7 there, but I add one later, so make sure you add 8. If you want more of a strawberry drink or concoction, just add more strawberries. Grab your strawberry scraps and make sure you compost them. You want to make some new earth for your gardens and just do some good stuff for the earth. Then wash your hands. With the epidemic that's going on, you always want to wash your hands. Sing happy birthday or just do it for 20 seconds and lather your hands up with soap and water and make sure you get all the bubbles off. After washing your hands, grab your cup full of strawberries and your blender lid and put it in the blender. Make sure you get it to a liquid consistency. You don't want it to be like chunky or anything like that and have little seeds in it. Mine did a little bit, but it's good to have it really thin. Sometimes the fruit gets stuck at the bottom or in the cracks, I don't know. Make sure you just shake it up every once in a while so it blends everything in that cup. After blending the strawberries, you want to get an aesthetic looking bowl so you can show it off to the world. And I got a jar, which didn't work because my spoon could not fit in. And spooning in the chia seeds was super hard, so just grab a spoon and do it in one spoonful at a time. And also, I made the mistake of putting in the chia seeds first. Do not put the chia seeds in first. Put the strawberry mixture in first, and then the chia seeds, so it layers on top. As you can tell, I did not want to waste any strawberry mixture, so I poured it until every last drop was out. So I sliced up some more strawberries and put it in a bowl. On the TikTok that I saw this on, they actually put it on top of the chia seeds, and I could not do that because it would be hard to get out of the jar. So I just put it in a bowl and then got some sugar and sprinkled it on so I could add a garnish or something like that and to just make it sweet. If any of you were wondering why I shook up the sugar, it's because it was a solid block. And as you can tell, I have a sweet tooth. Once you're done sprinkling on some sugar on your strawberries, close it up and shake it up again and put it back. Here's the finishing look of the strawberries. Oh, whoops. Once you're done with everything, you can lick out the inside of the smoothie cup. It is a little sour, so you might want to add a little bit of sugar. And there's the finishing product. Overall, it was pretty good, and it had a weird consistency, and it was just really weird. And it wasn't a pudding exactly, and it was more like a smoothie, but if you guys can perfect it, please send me videos so I know what I did wrong. It was a little sour, so you might want to add sugar, but I hope you guys enjoyed this healthy, tasty, homemade snack.